Hi, I'm Coco.
And I am Momo. And these are my friends.
my friends.
That's Park Danny's truck.
Oh, I think it is.
Mom,
we are
we're
home.
Welcome back, you two.
Pagdani, why are you here?
Is here to discuss about the rewang for the National Day celebration tomorrow.
Rewang, what's that?
Rewang is one of our tradition of gathering together to cook and prepare the meal for the event.
Wow, can we
we
come?
Of course you can. But make sure you help as well, alright?
Coco, Momo, you're here too.
Alya? Where's Omar?
Omar is at the back, helping the cooking crew, while I'm here at the front helping Jia and Jack to arrange all these chairs.
Let's help them. Coco?
Coco, Momo, this would finish faster if you bring multiple chairs to one place and arrange them, you know.
But they're heavy.
That's why we carry them together.
Oh, you're right. Let's do it that way, Momo.
Who's ready for some drinks?
Wow, that looks delicious.
Ready for some work?
Let us rest first. You got the easy job being at the back with all the cooking.
Peeling 100 onions was not easy, okay?
100 onions? How were you able to get it done?
Well, we did just like how you managed to arrange all these chairs, working together and helping each other.
That's right. If we work together and help each other, even the toughest job can be easy and quick.
You can even see it around you. The people in our area come together to help set up all of these. All this would be impossible if it was just done by one person. That's why they usually say unity is strength. When we unite together, we are stronger and able to take down challenges that we thought impossible.
You mean like the Avengers?
I was about to say like a stick in a bundle, but sure, that can work as well. Okay, we need to get back to work. We unite together, we can get the work done faster. Although, if a bunch of people unite and are not doing any work, then the work will never be completed.
Okay.